So let me take you through all of the good news, okay? That's happening today. You guys ready? Maharashtra. Who's from Maharashtra? Say hi if you are from Maharashtra. I'll tell you why. Because there's good news for Maharashtra. The Maharashtra government has decided that starting the 14th of May, you can have home delivery of alcohol in Maharashtra. So like I said, don't drink it all at once. Maintain social distancing. Tip your delivery fellow. But Maharashtra will have home delivery of alcohol starting the 14th. आज क्या 12 तारीख है ना? So 2 days. And then you'll have, you can have home delivery of alcohol. So remember, chill. Don't use it to numb your pain. And maybe have like Zoom or house parties with your friends. But try and stay home as much as possible and don't go out. Let me see who else is here. Amita Mir is here. Javed, Prashant Patil. Hello, all of you guys. So that's the news. Maharashtra nod for home delivery of alcohol starting tomorrow. Big whoop. Yes, big whoop. Also, very interesting. Ever since some of the relaxations were announced by the center, there's an organization called Magic Pin, which actually sort of measures reward platforms, and it measures the kind of movement. They've said in the first week of May, other than alcohol, apparel and electronics also saw some action online, and people actually were buying that, which means that the demand is not entirely dead and business can recover. So yay, that is good news for all of us. Also, and you know how all of my good news stories have like one piece of news on the environment, right? So India's CO2 emission has fallen for the first time in 40 years. So we are notoriously badly behaved when it comes to CO2 emission, but obviously this is what it took. So emissions of carbon dioxide have declined in our country for the first time in 4 decades. Obviously because we're not using our cars, the factories are not running right now, and we have this lockdown. According to analysis, the CO2 emissions of the country fell by 15% in March and are likely to have fallen 30% a month year on year. Let me see who else is. So that's a really good sign. I just want to check and see if is Kunal Kamra still here. If that news is something that makes you happy, Kunal Kamra, pop up, say hi, which I'll bring you in on the live if we can. All right, very quickly, 17-year-old Rajasthan boy fought armed Chinkara poachers and chased them away. So he fought and he won. Mukesh Bishnoi is the new hero of Rajasthan's Bishnoi community that is known to protect the animals around them. So Mukesh came in and he fought with armed poachers and he chased them away to save the Chinkara or the Indian gazelle in Jodhpur district. Now, the nationwide lockdown has actually resulted in an increase in the number of poachers who are taking advantage of the lockdown. So Mukesh, who was 17 years old, heard a gunshot in the middle of the night and ran towards the poachers. They got into a fight and the poachers eventually fled, and the forest department was announced. Now Mukesh has been given a certificate of appreciation from the Akhil Bharatiya Bishnoi Mahasabha as well. So congratulations to Mukesh, and that's one more Chinkara that has been saved. So that is good news for all of us. All right. Coronavirus's cases has slowed down, doubling has slowed down to 12.2 days. Remember, it was 2 or 4 days ago. But this is where it is, right? So it's really important. It's really important to see how many days it takes for the number of cases to double, and that gives us an idea of how the curve is moving, because like I told you, one person gives it to 4 people, 4 gives it to 4 more, and so it keeps doubling. It doubles much faster, but we've actually managed to slow it down. So this is where we are. It was actually 3-4 days when we started off. It then went down to 7, then it went down to 10 days. It's now 12.2 days. Of course, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi and now Tamil Nadu are not as good, but for the rest of the country, 12.2 is excellent work. So good job for everybody else, but stay home though. And this is excellent news. Yay! For 2 reasons. One, there's somebody who's writing leftist in the comment section. Dude, I'm left-handed. There is a difference between left-handed and leftist. pick up a dictionary and go read something. All right, moving on now to the rest of the news. A Bangalore firm will produce IIT Delhi's COVID testing kit, and we'll make our own testing kits, and that should really save us a lot of trouble. IIT Delhi's low-cost COVID-19 testing kit will be produced by a Bangalore-based biotechnology firm, expected to be available in the first week of June, according to officials. Now, the large-scale assembly manufacturing kits will be carried out in a facility in Andhra Pradesh, in Visakhapatnam, which is obviously an industrial area, and we're hoping that that comes in really soon, and we're able to make our own testing kits, and that should be good news for all of us. All right, I want to show you like these very interesting pictures. So here's the thing, and there's a reason why I think this is good news, right? So Shanghai in China opened its Disneyland. And they opened its Disneyland and decided that because, of social distancing, that they would only welcome, or they would only allow 24,000 people on the first day. Those 24,000 people, the tickets were sold out like that. So I want to show you some photographs that have come up now, and I'm showing you this off the bbc.com website. Here, this is... Can you guys see this? I know it's a really inefficient way, but I kind of like it. So this is Shanghai's Disneyland. And 24,000 people on day one. As you can see, celebrating cartoons. I love that backpack. That backpack is so cool. All right, so there's a reason why I'm showing you this. I'm showing you this as to sort of, give you confidence that if after such a massive lockdown, China's economy or people can actually wake up and say, okay, let's go out and let's do something, it's a good thing. If that's the pattern we're going to follow around the world. People were initially very worried that for businesses like restaurants and bars and nightclubs and movie theaters, that nobody's going to want to go to any of these places after the lockdown is lifted. But it does seem, if we take China as an example, and we do for everything else, that people will still want to do this. There's somebody who said that there are 24,000 people living in my lane. Savio Xavier Pereira. Well, that's what happens if you live in Mumbai. Diljoy has said, hello from Canada. I understand it's still a little chilly in Canada. We could use some of that here. It's so warm. Any news of domestic flights for Mumbai? We don't know yet. We know that the Ministry of Civil Aviation has said that they're considering it. No official announcement, but I wouldn't be hopeful for Mumbai, guys. Mumbai is in really bad shape right now. It makes sense for us to stay put just to be safe. I am Usman Crony. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, thank you. That's really sweet. One more last piece I want to tell you. Shubh Mangal Zyada Savda. Did I say that right? Is available now on Amazon Prime. And the reason why I love it is because it's the first sort of Hindi film that we have made that does a sort of nice, normal, non-creepy portrayal of same-sex marriage and same-sex couples. And that is a massive step for us in India. So if you're not doing anything and you're wondering what to watch on the weekend when it does come up, remember 2 days for the weekend. Maybe you should watch this film. And, maybe that'll make you happy, and root for all of our same-sex friends, that they're able to also soon plan their weddings and get married in India. All right, how come you liked FOMO Shorts? Okay, so I'll tell you. I liked FOMO Shorts for 3 or 4 reasons. One, I believe that nobody has made really a chilled show about friendship among women. So we normally, you have these like boys, 3-4 boys, and all of these like boys things that they do. So for example, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Dil Chahta Hai. These are like iconic films, right? But nobody's made one like this for women. It's our version of Sex and the City. I know a lot of people are like, oh, I don't like the jokes. But I thought it was chill, yeah? I mean, there's such a lot of hard stuff going on in the world. It's kind of fun to watch something slightly like, okay. The other reasons why I liked it is because here are 4 Indian women who are not perfect. So women are normally expected to be saints, right? You should not want to have sex, you should not have boyfriends, you should not have affairs, you should not make any mistakes in order to be good. Otherwise, you're bad. This was a sort of like midway of that, and it was grey. These were normal people, we could identify with some of them. So I honestly, genuinely like that. So I hope that clears that up. Veere the wedding. Yes, that was another option. That is true. Also, today is day 50 of the lockdown. I don't know, it's all blurred into one day into another, but I think it is day 50 of the lockdown as well. All right, schools need to be reopened. I think that they'll take some time before they make up. That might be the last decision that they make. Let me see. Second season is a disappointment. Well, that's up to you. I kind of liked it though. I didn't mind too much. Misleading women now. Misleading women on what? Women cannot be misled that easily. Yeah, we're very smart. So chill. Okay, so I'm going to leave you guys here. Thanks so much for popping in. Remember, stay home and stay safe, and don't get into trouble. And as far as possible, try and breathe. Try and take a break. You don't have to work all the time. You don't have to achieve all the time. It's okay to be you and to just chill. You are enough. All right? Bye-bye.